beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you. Thank you for clicking. So guys, on today's video I'm going to be showing you all how I made this hair on my very short hair. So guys, you guys know my hair is like this, and now my hair is all looking like this. So if you want to know how I started, just keep watching. And if you love this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below. Let's get in with the video. So guys, I'll be combing my hair, and this is because you want to make your hair loosen a bit, and then I'll be sprinkling water on it so it will be soft and it will be able to lock in moisture. So after sprinkling the water, I had to pattern or make the pattern for the hair, and I decided to make this half pattern. So guys, making the pattern for my short hair was pretty stressful, and you know, I just had to like concentrate and make sure there was a pattern, because this hair is not only thick, it's short. So if you have a kind of 4C short hair like mine, because this is actually natural, you just have to have patience and just keep doing it until you finally get that specific pattern you want. And I'm also going to be using a gel to mat it down, or like to make sure the section is neatly done, so I don't like lose track of where I've divided or where I'm not going to divide, you know. So I use the gel to just make sure that the pattern actually stay put. I'll be using my Gods to Bead gel and the glue also, because just the gel wouldn't be able to make this hair lie down flat. It still didn't even lie down flat, guys, but it got to the point where I can actually use it. So this is how I use the gel to make sure that the pattern are clearly done and neatly done before I spread it to the other parts of the hair. So you make sure make sure the pattern are actually clear, and you know they are not going to like get messy or get messed up while you're doing the other parts. I'll be using this hand brush, and you can actually use a normal hand brush or like a normal spotty wave brush, but you can equally use your comb. It just depends on how soft your hair is. I wish I had something stronger than that brush in my hand actually, but then that was the only thing I could get my hands on, so I had to make do of what I had. But if you have a stronger brush and your hair is thick like mine, please use it so you get a very sleepy and nice flat laying hair. So guys, while using my brush, I'm going to be applying the gel and making sure that the way I want to place my extra braided hair, I'll just make sure I make the hair or lay the hair flat like that. I tried my best, guys. I tried my best laying this hair down. It was just too stubborn, but you just keep doing that, and so you know where you're going to lay your hair or your extra braided hair, and you know, you just keep doing. It's just a repeated process until you get to your actual goal. So guys, I'm going to just be combing and making sure the outer side and the inner side and the top side, like all sides, gets to the middle, you know. So that's just the goal, because I already know what I want, so that's what I'm working towards. I just keep brushing and making sure everything align in the middle of the hair. So I'll keep brushing and keep applying more gels, and then I'll be going to the back. Please guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. You know I love you, yeah? So guys, the back doesn't really need so much process. It doesn't even also need so much gel, because I'll just be using my bun to just place at the back of the hair. but you still want to make it look neat, so you just have to apply little gel that would make the hair sleep down. So after I'm done brushing the back, I'm going to be using my hand dryer to just blow dry it a bit, and then while waiting for it to dry, I'm going to be using the opportunity to make my braids. So while it's getting dried, I'm going to be making my extra braids, and I'm going to be making 2 braids. So this is how I did the braids. You can braid before the hair or you can braid after the hair, but I just braided after the hair because I wanted it to get dried and still wanted to be busy in between. I just didn't want to like lose focus, to lose interest. That's why I braided it after I was done applying the gel. So once I'm done with the braids, I know, okay, I'm going to install it. After I was done braiding, I then used the braids to lay down flat on that part I was working towards, and then I used my bobby pins to pin it down. I actually waited for this thing to really get dried because it's definitely going to get very dried. So when it got dry, I used my needle and thread to sew them down because I didn't want to just take this hair for just 1 day. So I was planning to take it for 2 days. So when it got really dried, I used my needle and thread to pin it down. So if you also have a longer hair, you could use needle and thread. When the gel is dried up, you could just use the needle and thread to tack it down so you can take it on for a very long time, you know. So I used my bobby pins to just pin them down first, and then I used the same style for the back. I just twisted the backs together, like tied them down together, because obviously there's no hair to tack it down there together. Then after I rolled them together like this, I used my pin to pin them down. So I also, since I was going to be using my head bun, I just made sure I tied securely down on the hair, and round the hair I tied, the braiding hair I tied already at the back, so it's going to be very balanced and strong. So guys, that's it for the whole process. It's still gonna get dried because it's a bit wet right now. The whole gel and stuff is still on the hair, so by the time all the gel is calm and dried up, it's not gonna be looking all white. So guys, that's it for the whole process. If you love this video, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and I'll be seeing you all on my next video. I love you all. Stay safe and stay blessed.